In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show the layer panel in Figma. First, make sure you've opened your design in Figma. You can do this from your recent files or by opening a specific project. Once your canvas is visible, we will bring up the Layers panel so you can clearly see and manage everything inside your file. The Layers panel is where Figma lists every frame, group, and object in your design. It's the backstage view of your project, helping you keep track of what's on the canvas, how elements are nested, and how your document is organized. When you can quickly access this panel, it's easier to stay organized, locate elements fast, and keep your design structured as it grows. The fastest way to show the Layers panel is with the keyboard shortcut. Press Alt+1. This instantly opens the panel so you can jump right into your layer stack. If you prefer using menus, or if you are not sure the shortcut registered, here is a reliable click path you can follow. Click the Figma icon in the top left corner of the app to open the main menu. From there, hover over View, then go to Panels, and select Open Layers panel. This does the same thing as the shortcut, and it's helpful if you are already navigating the interface with your mouse. If you don't see the panel appear and the entire sidebar looks hidden, don't worry, sometimes the UI is collapsed to give you more space on the canvas. To bring the sidebar back, click your design name at the top of the window to expand the UI. Once the interface expands, the sidebar will reappear, and you'll be able to access the Layers panel again. Another simple option is to click the Layers tab directly in the top left sidebar. This tab sits alongside other views, and selecting it switches the sidebar to your layer list. If you've switched views during your workflow, this is a quick way to return to the layer hierarchy. With the Layers panel open, you'll see every frame, group, and object represented in a clear nested list. This view gives you a precise overview of your structure, making it easier to manage visibility and keep your design organized as it becomes more complex. Whether you prefer the shortcut, the menu route, or the tab in the sidebar, the goal is the same: quick, consistent access to your layers whenever you need them. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.